Everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. I'm Sinanpua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist and Chinese medicine herbalist. Well, what's the topic today? The topic today is about we're going to talk about blood and urine. So, have you ever suffered blood in the urine? Now, if you get UTI, urine tract infection, and that's quite common actually. And I'm going to share with you what tips, what can you do for that, right? For So in the medical term of blood in your urine, we call it hematuria. So, several different conditions and diseases can cause hematuria, which is blood in your urine. This includes infections, kidney disease, cancer, and rare blood disorder. Now, infection is more common. It's very common. And secondly, we see is the kidney disease, like kidney stone. Of course, it could be kidney cancer. The blood may be visible or in such small quantities that it can't be seen with the naked eye. So in here, the blood in your urine, if you go to the toilet and you look at it, if you can see it through your eyes, and that means there's quite a lot in there. But some you actually can't see it. So the type that you can see when you go to the toilet, we call gross hematuria. And the one that you can't see it, and you have to get a microscopy to be able to check whether there's any blood in the urine, and we call it microscopic hematuria, and that is the difference in medical term when we give it a name. So any blood in the urine can be a sign of a serious health problem. So even if it happens only once, ignoring blood in urine can lead to the worsening of serious conditions. Okay. Oh, I just did something wrong on someone. What? How do I do that? So I'm actually on. How do I do this? I'm just trying to. I can invite people in. Sorry, I shouldn't do that. I'm actually doing a live on TikTok as well. But anyway, let's keep going on Facebook. I'm just closing down. Turn down. Okay. with the blood in the urine, okay, so you shouldn't ignoring it, because it can be serious conditions like cancer or kidney disease. So you should talk to your doctor actually as soon as possible, right? So the common thing that we see is infection in the urine. It normally cause burning sensation when you go to the toilet, and painful, sharp pain. It can be sharp pain. And the best way for you to deal with it, if it's infection, cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is the way to deal with it without going to the doctor or whatever. That can help you instantly. So I have a friend in Auckland whose daughter, I think she is about 6 years old. So last year is about 5 years old. And what happened is she, her daughter, had a urine infection, bleeding in the toilet when she go for urine. Then also tummy pain. So what happened here is she called me, and I said, well, go to the doctor and get it checked out. But there was a night time, and they said, well, is there anything that they can do? And I said, well, suspect that is urine tract infection. Go and get a cranberry juice, get 2 liter. And her daughter drank it that night, and the next morning, everything's fine. No problem at all. So they were worried about that. I said, well, it's good to get it to doctor, but normally it may not. They may see anything in there, And so it's been okay for about a year. And then recently, and she called again, she said that happened again. I said, well, it's a good chance to go to doctor. And they, I'm not quite sure they've been to yet or not, but they actually keep cranberry juice at home. So this time recently, when her daughter had blood and urine, and they straight away take cranberry juice, so it minimized the symptom very quick. So again, the next morning, everything's fine. So if you have experience of infection and the causing blood in urine, and that's something that you should do is keep cranberry juice at home all time, just in case you need it. Okay, it definitely help. Okay, we've been suggesting to a lot of patients. The next thing in here is I'm going to show you some acupressure point. So the acupressure point, it can work for bladder, kidney, and urine tract infection. So the acupressure point over here I'm going to show you is a correspond point to anything to do in here. So that including blood in urine. So it's right here. Okay, so this part corresponds to anything with urine and anything with kidney and bladder. So what you need to do is so simple. You can use your fingers or knuckle, right? Or we suggest actually using this. So what you're going to do is just press along here from the wrist up to here. Press it along. Just press it like this. Press it along. Okay. When you hit sensitive point, any sensitive point, right? You have to press it hard in this area. So any tendinous spot, when you hit it, just rub it. Right. Rub it for how long? 30 seconds. You can count to 30 and then move to the next one. Keep searching. If you get one sensitive point, you do it only focus on that one. If you get 4 or 5 sensitive points over there, you deal with that. Okay, so this one, it would be able to help kidney and bladder function. So it's very good for blood in urine. So give it a go. Give it a go. If you suffer from that, even with tummy pain, lower abdominal pain, with this condition, it normally comes with some discomfort over here, and that point would help lots. Right. So that's it for today. Now, every day 9 o'clock, we're gonna have a live video for you and share with you some tips. So please share this live video with friends and family. Now, if your friend and family they like this video, please share with them and subscribe to our channel as well. Stay awesome, and we'll see you next time. Bye.